Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to create this dramatic hot pink smoky eye using our Remix Natural eyeshadow palette. I actually love how this came out. It's so much fun. I did dramatic lashes and I just love hot pink eye looks. So let's get into it. We're going to take this shimmery hot pink shade Happening and we're going to apply this all over our lid, up into the crease, and right along the lower lash line. Now I'm taking our Tarte Double Take eyeliner and I'm going to create a nice crisp wing with the liquid liner end. Now we're going to take the pencil end and we're going to smudge that out right along our lower lash line. I'm using a flat, dense brush to help smudge this out. We're also going to line our waterline as well. We're going to add some serious drama to our lash line with our Tarte Pro cruelty-free lashes in the style Glamazon. I'm popping these on with our Tarte Lash Tool for an easy application, and I'm locking these down with our Tarte Lash Adhesive. Now we're going to lock our real lashes to the falsies with a couple coats of our Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Now we're going to top off this whole look with a little bit of a highlight using the shade This Is It. We're going to pop this right in the inner corners of our eyes. What do you guys think? Alright tartlets, I hope you enjoyed this super easy, super quick tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below if there's any other specific tutorials you want to see me do, and I will do them for you. Alright guys, until next time, mwah! Take care tartlets!